In this video, I'll show you how to install the MyQ Smart Garage Video Keypad. Right on the side of the package, it'll show you a few different features it comes with, such as motion and activity alerts, controlled guest access, HD video with night vision, two-way audio, illuminated keypad, and a rechargeable battery. This unit is compatible with Liftmaster, Chamberlain, Craftsman, Raynor, and Accessmaster garage door openers that are installed after 1993 and use photoelectric sensors. MyQ provides some assistance and support. By scanning the barcode with your smartphone, you'll be able to access the MyQ installation guide. Video keypad with the battery. A 20-degree mounting bracket. A USB charging cable. Hardware bag that includes 2 mounting screws, 2 wall anchors, and a security screw. That's all in the box. Now let's get the battery out. Just pull the latch on the back of the camera, pull your battery out, and remove the blue cover on it. Chamberlain recommends you charge this battery for at least 10 hours. So grab your USB charging cable and plug it into the back of the battery port. Once you put it on charge, you should get a red light indicating it's charging. After successful charge for at least 8 to 10 hours, you should have a green light like this. You're now ready to move on to the install. Alright, let's go ahead and place the battery now into the back of the keypad. Slide it in place and it should snap in. Put the back of the protective cover on and we can start programming it. Alright, next you're going to get into your MyQ account. On the bottom right corner, you're going to hit the plus sign to add, and you're going to click on device. Here we're going to click on the accessory, which is in the top right corner, and we're adding a video keypad, so we'll click the first one on the very top. Is your battery charged? We did charge it fully, so we'll go ahead and click it's charged. If you already have your MyQ opener on this account, it's already going to be highlighted, so in this case I'm just simply going to click on the next. Here you'll need your Wi-Fi information such as your username and password. If you don't have your password, I don't recommend you go through the setup because it's going to ask you for your password and you're going to get stuck. So make sure you have your username and correct password to the Wi-Fi when you're doing this programming. Once you have it, hit I'm ready. You've already placed the battery in and put the back of the cover on, so we can go ahead and hit next. Here it's going to show you that it actually discovered a device. In this case, it's going to be the keypad that we're looking for. Go ahead and press on it. It's going to show you a Bluetooth pairing request. Go ahead and click pair. And then it's going to take you to the Wi-Fi networks. Here you're going to find your username for your Wi-Fi and put in your password. Once you got it, go ahead and press next. Your MyQ device is now connecting to your network. This may take a few minutes. They recommend that you stay near your device during the process. If your Wi-Fi information was inputted correctly, you should see that it was successfully added. Go ahead and click next. When using these devices for the first time, they may require a system update. If you see this message here, go ahead and click on Start Update. Once completed, you'll get a message showing that the update is complete. Next, you can choose a name for your device. Once completed, go ahead and click the next button. Create a 4 to 8 digit PIN that can be used to open your garage door. Once completed, click on the Done. Once you press next, your garage door opener will automatically be in learn mode for 30 seconds. While it's in learn mode, within 30 seconds, grab your camera device and put your 4 to 8 digit PIN that you created on the device. Once you put the PIN in, go ahead and press the home button on the bottom right corner. you should hear a series of beeps or clicks on your garage door opener. Once it's successful, you'll get a message that the setup is completed. Now we're ready to mount the device. For this, I'm using a concrete hammer drill bit. I strongly recommend using a level. Place it on the side of your bracket to ensure that your device is going to be leveled. Once it is, mark your holes with a marker or pen and use your hammer bit to drill the holes out. Once your holes are drilled out, go ahead and place your wall anchors in and mount your bracket on with the screws. Ensure it's nice and snug. Now your keypad device should snap right in place. Underneath it is a small hole that you'll place your security screw in. This will keep your device from coming off the bracket. With your door open, simply press the home button on your keypad and your garage door will close. The camera is a 1080p HD video with night vision. It has a 160-degree diagonal wide-angle field of view. It has a microphone and a speaker, allowing two-way communication. It's powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It has an illuminated keypad, and it comes with a 1-year limited warranty to the manufacturer. If you liked the video, please do me a solid and hit that like button. And thank you for watching.